Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Vokoscreen. Now, in the last video, we talked about how to install it, how to put it down into your bottom panel. And here it is down in our bottom panel right now. But there are some settings that need to change. The default settings are not actually what you need for recording videos for YouTube. So we're going to go over some of those settings here. So when you click on Vokoscreen, it will bring up this little window here, and it starts with kind of what looks like a desktop on the first icon, and it's set for full screen, which is what we want. And then the next thing that you want to check on is the sound, and you want to check on like built-in audio sound. And if you actually want better sound, you could use a headphone and microphone and stuff, but we're just going to kind of keep things simple for right now. But you do need to check on what you want to use for a sound source. The third thing you need to do is change the format. I think it comes by default with MKV or some sort of format like that. And you really want to change the format to MP4. You could also increase the frame rate up to 30 frames per second, but I think we're just going to go and leave it at 25 frames. So all we're going to do with the red arrow is change the format to MP4. Then when you get to the gray icon, we would normally check off the box Vokoscreen minimize when recording starts and show in the system tray. Now, by showing in the system tray, what we're really talking about is you could bring up this thing here where you can start or stop Vokoscreen or pause Vokoscreen without it having it appear. If you leave this unchecked, then it's going to show this during the video. And that's kind of what we want in this one. But normally we would have it checked to hide the Vokoscreen while the video is running. Then the last thing that's kind of important here is you want to check off the webcam and check off mirrored if you want to be showing people your face while you are doing this. It's kind of the friendly thing to do, but on the other hand, you don't have to. You can leave these things unchecked, and then this little box up here wouldn't be showing. You can change these boxes during the videos and stuff. You can move them around, you can put them over to the side, you can move this image here, you can make it bigger if you want bigger video, if you want people to really see you. You can make this video, let's see here, we can make our face really big, oh my gosh. But we're not going to worry about it. We're going to kind of keep it like that for right now. Okay, so that's it. That is how you do it. Then when you're done recording, you simply click on the stop button. You can also click on the play button to kind of view and see what it looks like. And if you didn't like the video, you could simply redo it. Where the video is going to wind up is in a folder, in your home folder, in your videos folder. And then you could rename the folder. You should rename the folder. And whatever you name the folder is the little thing that will appear at the beginning of the video, so people can kind of see a little bit about what the video is about. Alrighty? I hope that's a good introduction to how to use Vokoscreen to create your own video. It's a very simple program, and you can instantly then translate them to your YouTube channel, and that's what we're going to be talking about in some of our future videos, is how to create your own YouTube channel and how to post videos made with Vokoscreen to your YouTube channel. Alrighty? Thank you for watching this video. We'll see